Top 5 Best Kayak Roof Rack. Number 5. YAKIMA Rooftop Mounted Vehicles Carries. YAKIMA is a renowned brand in the outdoor adventure industry, and their rooftop mounted vehicles carries is a top-notch kayak roof rack option. This system is designed to accommodate a variety of kayak sizes and shapes while providing a secure and stable transport solution. The YAKIMA roof rack features an adjustable and padded J-cradle design, allowing for easy loading and unloading of your kayak. The cradles also provide excellent support during transit, ensuring that your kayak stays in place even on rough roads. The rack's universal mounting system makes it compatible with a wide range of crossbars, enhancing its versatility. Durability is a hallmark of YAKIMA products, and the rooftop-mounted vehicles carries are no exception. The heavy-duty construction and premium materials ensure that this roof rack can withstand the challenges of outdoor adventures. The rack also includes integrated SKS, same-key system, locks for added security, giving you peace of mind when leaving your kayak on the roof. In summary, the YAKIMA rooftop-mounted vehicles carries stand out as a top choice for users who prioritize quality, durability, and versatility in a kayak roof rack. Whether you're a casual paddler or an avid kayaker, this roof rack provides a reliable and secure solution for transporting your watercraft to your favorite water destinations. Coming in number 4. Rhino-Rack Kayak and Canoe Carrier. The Rhino-Rack Kayak and Canoe Carrier is a robust and durable option for those who prioritize strength and stability in their roof rack. This carrier is designed to securely hold both kayaks and canoes, making it a versatile choice for water sports enthusiasts with different vessels. The backbone of the Rhino-Rack carrier is its heavy-duty aluminum construction, providing a strong and stable platform for transporting your kayak. The carrier features soft rubber padding on the cradles, protecting your kayak from scratches and dings during transit. The adjustable pads accommodate various hull shapes, ensuring a secure fit for different types of kayaks. Installation is user-friendly, and the carrier is compatible with most crossbars, including Rhino-Rack's own Vortex bars. The included straps and tie-downs make it easy to secure your kayak in place. Whether you're heading to a serene lake or challenging rapids, the Rhino-Rack Kayak and Canoe Carrier offers a reliable solution for transporting your watercraft. Coming in number 3. Malone SeaWing Saddle Style Universal Car Rack Kayak. The Malone SeaWing Saddle Style Universal Car Rack Kayak stands out for its unique and effective design. Instead of traditional J-style cradles, the SeaWing utilizes a saddle-style configuration that provides ample support for your kayak while also being gentle on its hull. One of the notable features of the SeaWing is its universal fit, making it compatible with a wide range of crossbars, including round, square, and most factory racks. This versatility makes it a suitable option for users with different vehicle types. The installation process is straightforward, and the included straps and bow and stern tie-downs ensure a secure and stable transport. Constructed with corrosion-resistant materials, the SeaWing is built to withstand exposure to the elements, making it a reliable choice for outdoor enthusiasts. The low-profile design reduces wind resistance and noise, contributing to a smoother driving experience. If you prefer a kayak roof rack with a unique saddle-style design and universal compatibility, the Malone SeaWing is worth considering. Coming in number 2. Thule Compass Kayak and SUP Roof Rack. Thule is a well-known name in the outdoor gear industry, and their Compass Kayak and SUP Roof Rack live up to the brand's reputation for quality and innovation. This roof rack is designed to securely transport both kayaks and stand-up paddleboards, SUPs, providing excellent versatility for water sports enthusiasts. The Thule Compass Roof Rack features a sleek and aerodynamic design, minimizing wind resistance and noise during transit. The integrated straps and tie-downs are easy to use, ensuring a quick and secure attachment of your kayak to the roof rack. The rack's universal mounting system is compatible with a wide range of roof crossbars, enhancing its versatility. Durability is a strong point of the Thule Compass Roof Rack, as it is built with high-quality materials that withstand the rigors of outdoor adventures. The rubberized padding on the rack's cradles protects your kayak from scratches and abrasions during transport. For those seeking a premium roof rack with a focus on quality and versatility, the Thule Compass is a top contender. Coming in number 1. Leader Accessories Folding Crossbar Straps. The Leader Accessories Folding Crossbar Straps stand out as a reliable and versatile choice for kayak enthusiasts. The key feature of these crossbars is their foldable design, which makes them convenient for storage when not in use. This feature is particularly beneficial for users who may not want a permanent roof rack installation on their vehicle. Constructed with durable materials, these crossbars offer a robust and secure platform for transporting your kayak. The straps are adjustable, allowing for a customized fit to accommodate various kayak sizes and shapes. The folding mechanism is user-friendly, providing a hassle-free experience when setting up or stowing away the crossbars. One of the notable advantages of the Leader Accessories folding crossbar straps is their compatibility with a wide range of vehicles, making them a versatile option for different car models. The strong build and user-friendly design make these crossbars a top choice for those seeking a reliable and easy-to-use kayak roof rack.